Hello, my name is Len Graham. I'm the business unit leader here at Rexam Mold Manufacturing in Buffalo Grove, Illinois. We're here at national headquarters at the campus, and our unit consists of 100,000 square feet here. And we are manufacturers of plastic injection molds for the medical, consumer products, and home care industries. We build plastic injection molds that are anywhere from prototype to full production high cavitation tooling. There are 70 people employed right now. We here at Rexam are making a transition from standard mold making to mold manufacturing process. And we're doing it through our unit that we call a Megacell. So we've gone from a mold maker driven operation to an engineering driven operation. Basically, a mold maker driven operation will last maybe 2 shifts. Very low in productivity compared to an automated system where you can run 24/7. It works very, very well, and it'll give you consistent results. We called it the Megacell because it is a large undertaking and actually produces the entire mold. Here at RMM, we build not only the mold inserts, but we also build the mold bases in-house. And our edict is to go ahead and build both of them, both the inserts and the mold plates in an automated fashion. Effectively, what we want to do is build the entire insert within the 4 cells and have it come out the other side and onto assembly tables. So cell 1 produces the electrodes, EDMs the component, and also has CMM in there to check both the electrodes and the mold component in process. On the other side of the shop, once we finish the 4 rails in years to come, we'll move to a larger rail system that makes the mold plates that holds all these inserts. Right now with cell 1, as I pointed out, we just have the EDMing as well as the machining centers to make the electrodes. But as soon as we turn to cell 2, we start doing jig grinding. We do surface grinding both on the sides of the insert, radially on the insert, and also on the top of the insert for angles and shapes that go with that. So the objective is during the day to be able to run the machines in manual mode and then switch them over to automated. Mold makers are the center of everything within a mold shop, even in our mold shop, because they carry the most information, they have the most experience, and frankly, they are the ones that help drive the process better than anything. We start with our apprentices, and we want to teach them to have all these mold maker skills as well. So when we get our apprentices, we like to work with the junior colleges in the area because we're really looking more at, video gamers because effectively what they're going to be doing is running a big video game, because the Megacell is just a big video game that's very expensive. We kind of need both. We need the brain trust of the older guys that have gathered all this information for years and years, and then they pass that on to the younger kids that are really more suited to run something like this. And it's working out really well here. Our mold makers now are a team instead of individuals, and they also have a meeting that they conduct once a week to where they improve their methodologies. I think you already see by how the people are out there is because they're more part of a solution than part of a problem. The standards and procedures, they are extremely important as far as our entire system here, and to develop consistency is really the driver of everything. Whether it's right or wrong, if something is consistent, you can study it and make it better. Building our standards and procedures manual actually took about 1.5 years before we even put the cell in place. The 3 drivers that make this whole Megacell automated process come to life are customer drivers, and those 3 drivers are that the customers want their molds faster, they want them to be very consistent and actually improve quality along the way, and then in the end they want them to be cheaper. So those are the 3 drivers that make a Megacell come to life.